So the solution to identify, mark, track, and report with A2B, so that you know what we do here, is really the systems we provide are all secure and cloud-based into FedRAMP certified environments. We have systems that perform all aspects of asset management for just simple inventory control and accountability, through to providing visibility of items working through a production or a maintenance process. We already have pre-integrated advanced barcode and RFID tracking technologies out of the box with these systems, which have produced gains of 30 times faster processing, whether it's performing an inventory or whether it's generating a report that gives visibility into the way items are moving through production environments. Coupled with that, because of the work we've been doing specifically in military since the late 1990s, we have achieved 100% military compliance and offer that total peace of mind to know that everything not only today is up to policy specifications, but will well into the future with all changing government systems and changing policies. That's what our commitment is to our customers, is that they will always be up to date with all of these policies as they evolve. We also provide outsourced services where we can make asset tags and IUID, both labels that would apply to the asset and military shipping labels. Once we manufacture them, we immediately ship them to your door, and we can electronically report all of that asset data through to the systems such as IRAPT in the IUID registry. So we give you the control with the cloud-based solution, or you can outsource these services with us here at A2B Tracking. As you can see in this diagram, this shows what can become the complexity of these various departments that you see along the bottom here in the data that's provided by these various departments to support this initiative these days. Everything from manufacturing to property management, quality assurance, and shipping are all providing data to our UC web platform in the cloud, where we then take and automate all of those shipments exactly as required by government to the wide area workflow platform, IRAPT and IUID registry, with all of the built-in API capabilities to know that when items are submitted, they will get instant notification that end items and property are confirmed as being received by those systems. This is a recap of what we provide here at A2B as far. One notable here is that we also perform what we call marking and data capture services, which is our ability at A2B to field teams to identify and mark and capture all the data and lining up that data associated with the assets we will have marked and captured and cleansed the pedigree data on. Once again, if you're working and coming from a very spreadsheet, manual processing kind of environment, this will help streamline all of that data capture infrastructure with all the latest government standards while providing you a clean, your own internal clean database, so that as you submit this data through to the government, you know it's going to be the most accurate and up-to-date database that you can provide them, as well as professional services that we install, train, and even help to identify process improvements within your operation. Automatic identification technology will give you data accuracy from the very start, whether it's barcode or whether it's RFID. It'll actually save time and allow you to get paid faster by the military. It'll allow effective use of resources for better control, both on inventory and assets as they move throughout your facilities, giving you that asset visibility and an improved return on investment. And that ROI is one that we can help hone in on and help you realize where the returns are going to come from with the hundreds of locations that we've implemented this technology to, and the thousands of customers we've supported over the years. So if there's only two things that you need to remember at the end of the day here, is number one, what compliance really means. And that means both the support for your property management obligation, for this FIAR initiative, for the IUID compliance, and DCMA readiness efforts. They can no longer be ignored. And that the best practices means implementing a solution to address critical asset identification, tracking, and reporting, and that leveraging both IUID and RFID technologies are not only going to allow you to meet your military customer obligations, but provide significant benefits internally for your own organization.